fundamental right. It is a powerful tool for self-empowerment and social progress. Here in our country, education is free. We have public schools for elementary and high school, and we have state universities for college. But still, we cannot deny the fact that there are families who are having a hard time sending their children to school. And that is why I'm advocating for educational assistance to the underprivileged sectors of the community. Because I believe it is in our hands which lies the future of the next generation. And if we are going to equip them with knowledge, necessary skills, and provide them resources for them to be able to secure a brighter and better future, we can help them break the cycle of poverty. Thank you.